Okay. How do we determine the quadrant? For example, 11 pi over 4. How do you know which quadrant it's in? What's that? Okay, well, 11 pi over 4 is not on the unit circle. Yeah, subtract 2 pi, get it within 0 and 2 pi, right? Or minus 2 pi would be 11 pi minus 8 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4. And that, yeah, you could look on the unit circle. Where is 3 pi over 4? Right? Quadrant 2. So that's the answer. How about negative 11 pi over 9? What is the negative telling you to do? Okay. But I mean, what is the negative angle? It's actually, this is counterclockwise, this is clockwise, right? So you're going down that way. But if you want, you could add the 2 pi plus 2 pi, which will be negative 11 plus 18. Let me start that again, just to be consistent. Negative 11 pi plus 18 pi over 9, which is 7 pi over 9. Now, do you still have an idea where that is? Okay. Just compare it with the places you know. I mean, is it more than pi over 2? Is it more than pi? It's 7 pi over 9, right? So 7 over 9 means it's a little bit less than pi, but it's more than pi over 2. So it's in the second quadrant. Okay. How about 5.63? What is the units on this? It's radians because why? Because there's no degrees, right? So unless it has a degrees on it, it's radians. How do you know where 5.63 would be? Okay, so what Buck is saying is just try to, we know the pi is 3.14, right? We know halfway between 0 and 3.14 would be 1.57. You can do the math there. 2 times 2 pi would be 6.28. And you could figure like this is 3.14, this is 6.28, that would be 4.71. So where would quadrant 4, right? So it's more than the 4.71, it's less than the 6.28, so it's quadrant 4. Now, what's another thing you could have done to figure that out? You could have converted it to degrees. You probably recognize the degrees like that, right? Yeah.